I am sick and tired of doing stand-up comedy, and I think that all these stand-up comedians are mother chodes.
Who's the biggest comedian who's a mother chode?
Samir Raina. Because I don't consider him a comedian. Listen to this, Mr. Raina. I am going on record to say that I refuse to do it if I'm not taken with Rocky Sound. भाभी है तेरी रणवीर तो पक्का आएगा देखना लेटेंट पे आएगा.
Let's see if we can reach Tabu to
If
just
you can enter the gates of the house of the
He was in शांतनु आनंद के साथ काम किया.
हाँ मैं शांतनु आनंद के साथ
अमिताभ बच्चन
शांतनु आनंद के साथ काम किया.
शांतनु आनंद I mean,
They were asking questions like G-spot क्या होता है?
सच में वो क्या होता है?
I know all the alphabets LGBTQ. They have highlighted कि तूने बोला था गांड मार दूंगा. ये आपको पैसे मिले थे बोलने को.
How do you answer it?
I don't answer it. नहीं सर नहीं साहब पैसा नहीं मिला साहब. अपनी जेब से खर्च करके बोला है. I saw this guy
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Correct. Most famous cricketer.
Celebrating on his own like
okay,
वो
तो
उनका और बीवी का वो चल
उम्र
रहा
की
है
issue
अलग
है ना?
से चल रहा है वो उनका. I am writing
For pictures.
script for pictures.
धुरंधर आपका है.
नहीं मेरा नहीं.
धुरंधर 2 आपका है.
इतना गंदा नहीं
धुरंधर
लिख रहा
3
मैं.
Sir, I give you a chance. थोड़ा तारीफ करेगा तो you know you have
क्या
some-
तारीफ करेगा मतलब तुम उसके ऊपर जोक बनाया
हाँ.
मैं उसका तारीफ करूं तो I'll be in good books.
You get the Padma Shri one day.
Fuck it.
बॉस ये कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग हिम्मत कहाँ से आता है मेरे सामने बैठ के ऐसे बात करते हैं
तू ये डाल तू एपिसोड.
Cyrus says no we are doing cock and bull and the name of this episode is मम्मी कैसे है
अच्छा
right?
really?
Because that's what you're famous
okay,
for.
Okay.
हाँ.
That's the
I'm
only
telling
thing
you
I
that
do.
you don't know.
That's the only thing I do.
Wait, bhai, to have something you're famous for is enough in life यार. Come on. I mean, some people are molesters. Some people are, frauds.
Don't just put your hand
हाथ
down.
नीचे कर. When I say some people, I'm talking about studio के लोग, not our guests. So Mahip, I don't want to say welcome to the show and all, but nothing to welcome you to यार.
नहीं it's quite
भाड़ा पे लिया सब कुछ.
nice, very poor, but yes.
Yeah. Horrible experience. Most people leave, they spit when they जाते हैं सब लोग.
But I like Brocha Janata Party.
अरे then the cockroach जनता पार्टी आ गई उसको 22
अरे,
मिलियन फॉलोअर्स
उससे
हम लोग को
बहुत
कुछ
पहले
नहीं है.
आया,
हाँ.
मैंने
नहीं,
CPIM
मैं पहला
launch
था.
किया था.
उसके हाँ अच्छा आपने अच्छा
हाँ वो कॉमेडियंस पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया
हाँ.
एंड ब्रैकेट में मॉइस्ट
कॉमेडियन जनता पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया.
नहीं CPI कॉमेडियन पार्टी ऑफ
अच्छा इवन कम्युनिस्ट की तरफ.
कॉमेडियन पार्टी
Because comedians और communism में कोई
There's a
फर्क
full
नहीं है.
CPI
There's no money, no future, no fans, no philosophy. हाँ.
नो पावर.
No power whatsoever.
या
हाँ ठीक है. So let's talk a little bit about your life.
या प्लीज.
आप बताओ and make it up, make it interesting.
Yeah, it's like so. I was born on this nakshatra, which is considered to be the most pious and only like great spirits and godly men are born.
आपको कैसा लगता है अभी
So that was a lie.
Life of fraud.
Life of fraud. Yeah, life of pry. So yeah, it's very pretty simple life. Not much to say about it. Quite normal Delhi guy.
मैंने पढ़ा कि sir has done MA in English literature.
Yes,
So
sadly.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And which is a very interesting subject.
It is interesting.
और आप writer भी हैं.
And I am a writer. I am a writer foremost.
That's
And,
what it says in Google.
Comedy
And it's not
happens.
like we went to Google. हमने research किया. We went to your village in Delhi.
Village.
House. We checked everything. वहाँ पे. we studied everything.
My village. Huh? Okay.
Village in Delhi is Gurgaon.
I'm missing Delhi actually.
Why?
I because like today itself, like I was supposed to come half an hour early,
हाँ.
and this cab driver, a Mumbai cab
क्या
driver,
बात है? वो GPS लगा दे.
and he's just came late, like 20 minutes late, and he said sorry. And I was so furious. I think in Delhi, no cab driver will say sorry to you because they
ये
will.
तमीज कहाँ से आता है?
if they-
कल्चर को spoil करते हैं आप लोग.
If they are late, they'll hit you and run.
Yeah.
But because then you will not be looking for the cab, you will be looking for an ambulance. So there is no sorry, no thank you, and
So
we have figured it out. So
I feel you're right. I feel ये अभी आजकल 80s 90s में नहीं 80s 90s में they were very rude. अपना cabbies and rickshaws.
Cabbies and rickshaws.
Because अपने साथ जो if I remember it was always experience of just one word
हाँ
communication.
हाँ
जैसे सर अंधेरी जाएगा.
हाँ हाँ yeah.
So that Delhi would have a conversation. So you at
नहीं
least feel
दिल्ली
warm.
would have के
Yeah, बैठो मेरा
पहले
sign है तो आगे जा. You know whatever. There be
दिल्ली
some
में क्या
conversation.
करते थे, दिल्ली में पूछते थे हाँ किधर जाने का है, इधर जाना है, अच्छा किसके घर जाना है,
मैं भी आ सकता हूँ.
हाँ क्या है वहाँ पे, फंक्शन है कोई शादी है, कुछ है क्या, फिर देन आस्किंग एवरीथिंग, देन दिल से नो,
वो communal feeling है उसमें ना.
देन
Community का feeling.
देन दिल से नो नहीं जाने का है.
Which is
हाँ,
good.
which is like good.
Ultimately you failed, but the main point is कि
You
बातचीत
made
हुई उसमें.
you made a friend and everything. Yeah.
But here no, here is all.
It's very rude, very rude. Yeah.
Mumbai, we have changed language completely to sounds. Everything.
हाँ yeah. हाँ
That's it.
तो दिल्ली में this is used as like
दिल्ली में literature है यार.
हाँ तो modern literature is evolved in Delhi only.
Of course.
So
My wife and I talk like this, but now it's like,
नहीं, in Delhi तो you get arrested also sometimes.
with somebody else's wife.
Yeah.
That's the wrong communication. Fair enough. ठीक है. So like, give us a little background. So you wanted to be an actor.
No, never. I
ये
can't.
baked हमने baked.
हाँ,
देखा,
I
think
did.
जसपाल project.
I did 2 seasons of Baked.
मजबूरी.
Not majburi, like I had nothing else to do. Like,
fair.
and they said, okay, we'll
Like
give
today you come for the podcast. क्योंकि काम नहीं है आज.
yeah. So we'll give you money and you come and we'll give you. I had double role in that.
कौन सा? Baked में.
Baked mein. I was Inspector Gulab Singh and his brother, his lookalike
Who
brother.
didn't get a name?
Who didn't get a name, and it was started. It started with my scene only, and I'm talking to some guy who is coming to me for a job, and with the reference of Gulab Singh, and this is what had happened, and it was fun.
But look अलग होगा.
हाँ
Look तो अलग होगा ना.
हाँ look अलग होगा. I was in police uniform as Inspector Gulab Singh, and I was wearing a tie and like a corporate thing. It was nice guys, nice people around me. You know, Shantanu Anam.
शांतनु हाँ.
हाँ, he
He's
was
our-
in Baked only.
He was in शांतनु अनम के साथ काम किया.
हाँ, मैं शांतनु अनम के साथ,
अमिताभ बच्चन
शांतनु अनम के साथ काम किया.
शांतनु अनम. I mean, when we take the name, we play music. It's that big, yeah.
So there were a lot of interesting people there, and I liked the experience, and it was amazing. So that happened just, and but
But
acting was not the priority. Okay, we'll go there and become an actor and something like that.
और ये सब वो लेटेंट के बाद है या?
नहीं तो बहुत पहले. Latent was not born
Latent
then.
was not born at that point.
हाँ.
But Latent made you really famous. And
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but a lot of silly things made me famous.
नहीं वो पैसा का इक्विटी जो है लेटेंट की जो पैसा है that is shared by everyone.
नहीं, not a single penny was
वकील को बोला.
paid to us.
मिस्टर शर्मा को बोला फोन पे.
Mr. Raina duped us and
मिस्टर रैना पैसा कहाँ है?
पैसा नहीं दिया एक भी.
But मिस्टर रैना का गलती नहीं है because there's one more guy in this.
Who?
That नहीं what is the name of that other guy? नहीं वो फैमिली वाला है यार.
कौन?
वो फैमिली का वो फैमिली कल्चर कौन है वो?
Family culture.
सेम नेम एज ए फिल्म स्टार यार. रन्ना. आपकी बारी. रणवीर.
नहीं वो तो प्रयागराज से है.
Okay.
हाँ, तो now name has been changed. So yeah, it was a silly thing, and but I really want to beat them up and ask for a percentage of money he sold tickets for.
But he's doing another version now, no? There's a problem.
It has already
But वो sex को
started.
कम करना
They
पड़ेगा
have no, they are doing the same thing.
You're not there?
I refused.
Why?
I am going on record to say that I refuse to do it if I'm not taken with Rakhi Sawant. I only
अच्छा, आपका
will
contract में
do
ये एक
it-
clause है कि without
हाँ,
Rakhi Sawant you will not
I
do it.
will not do it. I want to do it with Rakhi Sawant.
Okay, let's
Listen to this,
yes.
Mr. Raina. Okay?
ये शो नहीं देखेगा ये लोग.
नहीं
बड़े
देखेगा.
लोग हैं
अब
अभी.
बड़े लोग हैं अभी.
But we'll try and send the link.
Okay.
just to make
I
that
will
point.
send the link.
But why? I'm very upset if you're not in the second part. Always
It's
second
it's
part.
it's actually it's a lot of nuisance, and since I have been summoned by Mumbai cybercrime branch,
तब
नहीं नहीं अभी भी जा रहे हैं अपन लोग
बन नहीं है
वो दोबारा से बुला लिया.
दोबारा मतलब
There was some guy who investigated and then he was gone on a promotion. The other guy came and he said, okay, no, I will do
Double.
the investigation on my own so that he doesn't get any credit. So I'll get the credit. And so he is doing it in Marathi now. So I I was forced to sign a document written, typed in Marathi, and ये तो मी तो मैं मुकर जाऊंगा बाद में.
But उस दिन उस shooting के time पे you were not in the on the
I
panel.
was not in
So
that.
why you
Arey, not only us, like they summoned all the people who bought tickets. They got data from Bookman show.
the audience?
Why were you laughing? So these are the idiots.
How do you even answer to this?
Yeah,
Why
how
would
do
it
you
happen?
answer to this? Like they were asking questions like G-spot क्या होता है? And
Sir, but वो
हाँ
सच में वो क्या होता है?
तो मुझे भी नहीं पता है वो तो
सुना तो
हाँ सुना तो हुआ है.
तो जैसे डॉक्टर
I know all the alphabets LGBTQ.
A spot, B spot, C spot, सब वो सब ठीक है, but G पे आ गया तो we get a little worried कि G spot क्या है. Yeah.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
Don't look at me, sir.
And to God.
I'm still with the same woman.
हाँ तो अरे
अगर मैं-
ना तो सेम
I
वुमन
know
के
where the
साथ भी
G-spot was, I would have moved.
if you do it for 20 women, even then you won't know where the G spot is.
No, I'm saying if you know कि G spot कहाँ है,
So
then you
once
go.
my wife asked me कि do you know darling where my G spot is, तो I said कि बाथरूम में देखो
हाँ,
तो
नहीं था.
अपनी चीजें रख के भूल जाते हो तो उधर ही होगा.
Very sad.
So it's very silly, but they are asking all sorts of questions.
And it's still going on.
It is still going on.
But second season can start. There's no. legal issue.
Yeah, no, not even a scratch on the IP, not even one scratch on the perpetrators. Everybody is going about their jobs, and we are like going for summons and.
Who was not in the episode?
We were not in the episodes,
So
but
audience
they
are
have highlighted. They have seen everything and they have highlighted कि तूने बोला था गांड मार दूंगा. ये आपको पैसे मिले थे बोलने के. मैं कहा हाँ एक गांड के इतने पैसे मिलते हैं. क्या मतलब है यार? They are cops, man. Yeah. And
They actually asked you this question.
Yeah.
So how do you answer it?
I don't answer it. नहीं सर नहीं साहब पैसा नहीं मिला साहब. अपनी जेब से खर्च करके बोला है. मैं एक नोट रखता था फिर बोलता था तेरी गांड. So I am doing this these days. So nothing.
Let's start a vegetarian Jain version of Latent.
Yeah.
हम दोनों we'll get 2-3 older people.
Yeah.
वो vegetarian करते हैं.
Yeah,
गांड
yes,
वांड नहीं बोलेगा.
नहीं बोलेंगे.
Buttocks.
नहीं
अंग्रेजी में ठीक है ना?
अंग्रेजी में
कुछ भी
तो
बोल सकता है.
everything is right.
Nobody
Like
understands
you
it,
can
yeah.
say fuck so many times.
वो
and-
accent के साथ बोलता है.
हाँ, and nobody will bother because they don't get it.
And even if they get it, they'll be like ठीक है ये इतना clear नहीं.
अंग्रेजों के तो होता है ना ऐसा उनमें
exactly.
चलता है. हमारे में नहीं चलता है.
नहीं
हमारे
अपना परंपरा में नहीं है. I will
हमारा
not allow it.
भारत की
I will walk out if
संस्कृति
you said it.
अरे कि भारत की संस्कृति में सेक्स नहीं
नहीं
होता
वो
है.
नहीं है. ऐसे ही लोग आते हैं.
सेक्स नहीं होता.
Immigrants. India is full of immigrants.
Aliens.
At least that's what they said in Bengal.
Very interesting, yeah. Bengal elections, very interesting. Yes.
Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, it was very interesting. I liked it, and I was really.
जैसे कि
hoping-
IPL match चल रहा है ना.
हाँ.
You like the feeling.
I actually don't watch cricket. I am not a sports person at all. But I am forced to watch these reels, and now I know that RCB won.
हाँ, they won.
Because I saw this guy
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli
Correct. Most famous cricketer of the world.
celebrating on his own, like
अकेला.
वो बीवी का वो चल रहा
उम्र
है,
की issue है
अलग
ना।
से चल रहा है वो उनका, है
But
ना?
that doesn't mean anything bad यार, अपना कल्चर में वो चलेगा।
नहीं, वो सब कुछ चल रहा है।
हाँ।
आई लाइक्ड विराट कोहली नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज क्रिकेट.
But he's a Delhi boy.
He is a Delhi boy, and still he managed to cry in front of cameras, so many cameras, and hug his wife.
तो पंजाबी है ना।
हाँ, तो पंजाबी है.
आप लोग तो करते हैं ये सब।
हाँ, inspired being Punjabi, he did that, and I am really proud of it.
हाँ।
And the area he comes from is like totally
West Delhi, the tough
West Delhi,
neighborhood.
the tough neighborhood, the
Supposed to be where the tough guys come from.
toxic.
आप भी वेस्ट दिल्ली का होगा?
नहीं, मैं नहीं.
कहाँ?
I was from outer Delhi.
दिल्ली का अंदर भी नहीं?
नहीं, because like we were poor, and we bought where the land was cheaper.
हाँ।
So
तो बेसिकली हरियाणा?
no, not Haryana.
Faridabad?
But very near the border.
हरियाणा या यूपी?
Haryana.
Okay, not bad. So you are a wrestler?
No, not at all.
Sorry.
I'm a hustler.
Alright. So that's the Leighton situation. और Leighton में सच में आप नहीं है Leighton में?
हैं?
Leighton part 2 में आप
अभी
नहीं
तक तो नहीं हूँ, अभी तक
हैं? I
नहीं
can't
हूँ.
believe it. You have such good chemistry with
नहीं,
somebody.
I met him, and he told me that
मैं फोन करता हूँ.
if I want to come to the second season, and he told me some names, so I told him that I can't do it without Raki.
Without Raju?
Raki.
Without Raki. हाँ.
Who's Raju?
पता नहीं. I heard Raju यार.
Yours who? Raju?
I don't know. Your Raki is my Raju.
Uh-huh.
The secularism of the country, beta.
Yeah.
अच्छा, so before we go into our,
So we are going into
we have
that.
questions. नहीं, but उसके पहला tell us what's happening right now in your life.
Right now, I am sick and tired of doing stand-up comedy, and I think that all these stand-up comedians are motherchodes. And
Sir, पैसा देना
can
पड़ेगा.
we beep it?
नहीं, beep नहीं, fine.
अच्छा, fine.
आपने कहा ना,
There is
एकदम-
a jar or something.
जार तो, yeah, what is the budget for jar and all? हाथ में दे.
हाँ, दूंगा.
हाँ, बस.
I don't have. I'll Paytm you.
Later. जीपे.
हाँ, GPay.
हाँ.
तो can't say G ना actually, तो
हाँ, ठीक है. Going back, can't is with G.
तो-
Going back to M, motherchode. हाँ.
हाँ, so I think that
All comedians are motherchode.
all the comedians are motherchode.
Who's the biggest comedian who's a motherchode?
Samir Rana. Because like I don't consider him a comedian actually, but
He's your brother.
he is my brother, but
But motherchode.
motherchode.
हाँ. And what's your रणवीर के साथ क्या रिश्ता है?
I don't know him
What are you saying?
at all. I don't know him at
कभी
all.
phone में नहीं
And
किया?
if I knew him, if I had his phone number,
He's not done anything to us, यार.
I have asked him for a favor. Sir, मेरे को भी छुड़वा दो सर.
Oh, पैसा.
मेरा भी स्टार्ट करवा दो सर काम धंधा फिर से. Like that. So I don't actually. I never knew Samir Rana also. We met
पुलिस के लिए?
on a flight.
अच्छा, before the latent.
Before the latent, and he said कि सर आओगे? मैं कहा हाँ आ जाऊँगा.
Hmm.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. तो like because he was like khawfying my mind on a plane, and for 2 hours he was telling me these dirty jokes and everything, and in a loud voice. So everybody thought that ये टर्की पुट्टा है कोई. तो he said कि आओगे? मैं हाँ आ जाऊँगा. जाओ हो गया, टच डाउन हो गया, जाओ. तो मतलब that how it happened. I never knew Samir Rana, and I never knew any of them. Like all these people from Prayagraj, all these people from Maharashtra, and
This is all because of the experience on latent that you have now met all these beneficiaries.
yes.
प्रयागराज पे प्रयागराज connection is Ranveer.
You didn't get it?
No, I got it. I thought.
You want me to say?
No, don't explain.
Okay.
Sir. We call that Kunal Vijayakar moment when the comedian explains a joke. We don't want that. Yeah, वो ज़माना चला गया अभी. People don't do that anymore. नहीं मिला तो नहीं मिला. ठीक है जी. You can go and Google.
हाँ, ठीक है. हाँ.
Okay. So are you ready? But so any project right now?
Any project, I am doing
Stand-up
a
आपने बंद
podcast
किया?
for old people.
Lovely.
So I am inviting you.
बाबा,
As
एक
a-
साल और एक साल रह गया भाई. When are you shooting this?
So I have already shot 4 episodes, and we are trying to cut through the crap and present a good product, and hopefully
He comes on my podcast and says, "You want to cut through the crap and present a good product." बॉस ये कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग? हिम्मत कहाँ से आता है? ये मेरे सामने बैठ के ऐसे बात करते हैं आप लोग. It's so rude यार. but fair point.
Fair point.
Absolutely
yes.
fair. So podcast, you're not doing stand up और अभी मुंबई में रहते हैं ना आप?
I no. I live in Gurgaon only.
You still live in
I
Gurgaon?
come to Mumbai for 4 or 5 days or 10 days and just meet with people and meet with the filmmakers.
The policemen and all that.
Filmmakers and I am writing script.
For
Writing a
pictures.
script for pictures.
धुरंधर आपका है?
नहीं मेरा नहीं.
धुरंधर 2 आपका है?
इतना गंदा नहीं
धुरंधर 3
लिखता
आप?
मैं. इतना गंदा नहीं. तो बहुत अच्छा लिखता है, बहुत अच्छा.
ओके सर, फेयर इनफ.
आई राइट गुड.
इंटरवल के बाद भी आपका नहीं था स्क्रिप्ट?
नहीं बिल्कुल भी. मेरा तो शुरू से ही नहीं था. नाम का धू भी मेरा नहीं है.
ओह माय गॉड.
तो हाँ बस अंदर
कैन यू टेल अस ये कौन है ये फिल्म मेकर?
नहीं कांट.
अच्छा, बट देयर इज समथिंग गोइंग ऑन.
हाँ देर इज समथिंग गोइंग ऑन. सो a lot of writing is happening and I have started doing the thing I was supposed to do in the beginning. I am a writer foremost. And I used to write plays and do theater and that sort of thing. Acting was not there, but acting happened accidentally. But I have directed plays, I have written plays, I have done so many things in theatrical thing. But I am starting that again, so it's a good thing.
So there'll be a run of plays also, no?
Yeah.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So plays to look out for, stand up तो कभी कभी, and podcast which is new podcast is starting.
हाँ featuring old people.
Featuring old people. तो जल्दी करो because how much time do we have? We don't even know. We are really old. And most importantly, he's also writing film scripts with big names like Rohit Shetty, Karan Johar, and
No, not Karan Johar.
Suraj Bajaj.
I refuse Karan Johar.
Why?
I can't.
Dharma, you
write
don't like?
that kind of movies.
Family picture.
No. Family
जैसा
picture.
latent
So
में आ
then
गया.
again there'll be Prayagraj connection
Yeah,
that
correct.
they'll say write these kind of.
हाँ, but this brings the country together.
I can't do family things.
All about loving your family. It's a lovely tagline here. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Hmm.
So yeah.
Ready, sir?
Yeah, ready. Yeah.
इतना तारीफ खुद का तारीफ किया उसने start to finish.
मैं किया.
हाँ.
मैं किया
बात ही
अपना
नहीं किया
तारीफ.
इसमें. हाँ.
अपना तारीफ किया.
Of course.
Cut that man.
Okay.
RCB became only the third franchise in IPL history, joining the Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians to win back-to-back titles.
We are shooting this the day after the
RCB,
IPL final,
final happened,
which we both didn't watch. I
Yeah.
didn't watch because 8:30 I go to sleep.
Oh,
They were 59 for 3 when I went to sleep.
so
Gujarat.
I am
और सर
telling.
का अलग है. Sir hates cricket.
Yeah, sort of. I hate all the
The love of cricket.
monkey business and the fans crying and
थोड़ा
fans.
ज़्यादा होता है.
हाँ, like they are crying. Our team lost
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everything, and I don't like that.
We don't empathize with this mad regionalism.
Yeah.
Splitting the country apart. Bangalore, Gujarat, India, yaar.
हाँ तो India also the people start crying.
Oh,
India,
sorry.
Pakistan.
Splitting the world apart. One
Yeah.
world. Right?
Yeah.
That's our.
I'd like to have a match between Israel and Iran.
But which sport? They don't play cricket yaar.
That's the problem.
Man, sure. नहीं तो हो जाएगा तो.
That's the problem. They should create teams and ask Indians to support one,
Yeah.
and they'll choose their
But
team
for
and then
IPL, it'll have to be like Israel Lions and Iranian, Titans or something. You have to have that flavor.
yeah.
Just Israel Iran नहीं चलेगा.
No, Gundeas and Goteas.
I leave it to you, sir. You are the writer. I will not integrate the creativity.
I'm not saying which team is it, but Gundeas and
Fair.
Goteas and.
I like Gotias. Gotias has a very good ring to it for young kids watching who follow the game.
Yeah.
चलो तो आपका क्या opinion है?
क्या
If there is any. They won back-to-back titles, so RCB has won 2 in a row, so they're the best IPL team for 2
हाँ,
years.
तो देश के
And the
लिए क्या
great Virat
किया?
Kohli is now celebrated after 19 years. Finally, in the last 2 years, he's won the title.
Okay.
हाँ, वो है. I can see from your face that this is the worst question ever. and you
No,
know
it's not worst question. Like what it brings for me, like on table, like it's like.
This is the right
Like
answer.
he got the money, he got the accolades, he got the trophy, he
They all
celebrated,
cried.
he got Anushka, and
Hey,
everything.
bas, bye.
Like for a common person, there is nothing.
True. You want to meet a film actress?
I want to meet the film actress. Yes.
Okay. Who do we have coming next week? Sir, you'll wait here for 2 weeks? एक ही तरीका है
You
सर.
know film actresses?
No, not really.
I know because I've seen all the episodes.
Yeah, we just follow them in the Bandra police station. They file the complaint and we have pull. That's how it works.
No, I really want to meet some actresses.
Romantically या just अपना respect
Romantically,
के?
I don't know whether they are available or not, but yes,
Yes.
of course, why not?
Why not? Why not?
Why not?
Name your favorites and we'll see what we
Tabu.
can do. Tabu?
I like Tabu.
She lives in Hyderabad, no?
No, she lives in Mumbai only.
Mumbai में? चलो ठीक है. Let's see if we can reach Tabu to
If
just...
you can enter the gates of the house of Tabu, then give me a ring.
You have no faith in us whatsoever. You cannot enter the gate.
It just takes 2 hours to reach Mumbai. I will come to Mumbai.
Done.
Doesn't matter.
Chalo. Too much IPL overkill. None of us are interested anymore. Let's go to something else. Second है.
What is this?
Well, the news will be...
Cyrus says. So I have lot of opinions on Cyrus
हाँ,
says.
बोलो.
Oh, something else happened.
Arey shit, yaar. We'll come
Again,
back to that.
cricket, yeah, na? ESPN Cricket Info.
Until its honor, celebrating the greatest cricketers of 2000 to 2025 international cricketers, as decided by the elite 25-member jury of these are the guys. Now,
These
I
are
ask you,
Jury people.
you tell me one fact about since he hates the game. This is like Kunal Vijayakar moment. You tell me one fact about each one. Jacques Kallis.
Who is he?
Who's he? Good. Sachin Tendulkar. Who's he? मत
Sachin
बोलो.
Tendulkar, I know that I'm not that
कितना
dumb,
century बनाया
यार.
test
Like,
match में?
इतना वो नाक में
कितने
उंगली दे
test-
दे के
कितने test
इतना
centuries?
नहीं मालूम है. सचिन तेंदुलकर मालूम है मेरे को.
अच्छा. विराट कोहली.
विराट कोहली, yes, of course.
What about him?
What about
एक fact तो दे दो.
He's a Delhi boy.
He's a Delhi boy. Is the fact.
Yeah, it is a fact.
I'm with the
Do you
police.
think I'm
with
making
the
this
Mumbai
up?
police on this. You give very strong.
You're making this up.
नहीं नहीं,
Like,
ये
I'm-
peculiar जवाब है भाई.
ये
और कुछ बोलो यार. He's a Delhi boy.
He likes chola bhaturas.
He likes Chola. He likes Chole.
Chola bhatura.
मुंबई
I
का
know
better है
that-
या दिल्ली का better है?
Delhi, of course, man.
What a arrogance यार.
यार मुंबई में फूड मिलता है. Mumbai.
Sorry, Mumbai. I have to take his side. Delhi food is much
Yeah.
better. I can't argue about that.
Absolutely.
Muttaya Muralitharan.
Most horrifying person coming towards you with the ball in his hand.
Brother,
Very,
what
very,
is-
very, very scary.
Horrifying in a cricketing way. He's a lovely guy. Ricky Ponting.
Ricky Ponting is good fielder.
Not
I
bad.
heard-
He was fantastic.
I
Best
heard,
fielder of his
yeah.
generation. AB de Villiers.
I don't know him.
I don't know him. नहीं कुछ तो बोलो ना.
नहीं क्या बोलूंगा, मेरे को जानते ही नहीं, नाम भी पहली
कहाँ
बार
से
सुना
है?
है.
आप अगर गैस करना
ये
है
वो शर्ट से ऑस्ट्रेलिया का लग रहा है.
नहीं नहीं साउथ अफ्रीका का है इतना
South
बैंक
Africa
ये
का है.
कुणाल किसी कमजोर आदमी है भाई आई हैव नॉट मेट अ पर्सन लाइक दिस ही हैज नो इंटरेस्ट एबी डिविलियर्स को नहीं पता
नहीं मालूम है भाई.
कुमार संगकारा
श्रीलंका.
वेरी गुड आई कैन रीड द बैच चल हम इंडियंस पे जाएगा लेट्स स्टे विद इंडियंस जसप्रीत बुमराह
Jasprit Bumrah, I know. Jasprit
And
Bumrah. I know.
एक
Jasprit
fact.
Bumrah. A fact that he, still being a Punjabi, he is that South Indian and North Indian.
गुजराती
Gujarati.
but nearly
he-
very
he
good कि वो
still
सरदार है by
हाँ,
descent
हाँ.
but grew up in Gujarat
grew up in
he
Gujarat.
went to South
but-
India but that's
yeah.
the wife is from South India so it's a very good
Okay.
mix
Very good
of
mix,
everything,
yeah.
हाँ.
I like that.
Not bad. So 10% जवाब सही था. I feel
हाँ.
10 on 100 which is pass.
हाँ.
चलो अश्विन last corner.
Last corner में
अश्विन
Ashwin.
हाँ.
I think he is some kind of bowler.
बहुत बढ़िया.
है ना?
Without this we would not be able to go on. और ये complete last is Sehwag 22 number 22.
Number
Virender
22.
Sehwag.
Virender Sehwag. Virender Sehwag is
Delhi boy.
Delhi boy only. Not Delhi boy, Haryana boy.
Najafgarh
Sort
boy.
of.
हाँ.
Najafgarh, yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah. Najafgarh is in Delhi.
Close
only.
by. No, it's the same
Not
thing.
close by. It
ये
is
मुंबई
in
के जैसे
Delhi.
ना थाने नवी मुंबई is all the same thing.
हाँ,
Then
it's
you
the
want to
same
get
thing.
technical about it तो ठीक
हाँ.
है. हाँ.
हाँ तो
So,
like,
so all you've given us is geography, which I have very lot of respect.
considering that I don't watch cricket at all,
हाँ.
and these are the things I know because
Who is the women's cricket captain? The World Cup is starting in a few days.
there is a Sardarni.
Correct.
Yeah, that much
Ethnicity
I
तो
know.
perfect है.
है ना? तो
10
I
on 100
know
already.
Something. Harmanpreet.
Oh,
or
your friend
something,
Jodhu,
yeah.
he knows everything. Just won the Padma.
Oh, yeah, I know. She's
bad.
like I like female Indian cricket team just because that in
Mute
this
कर. I'm a little worried where he's going.
नहीं
एक केस तो काफी है.
अरे सुन तो लो.
हाँ.
जस्ट बिकॉज कि वो इतना सारा वर्ल्ड में आदमी लोग का सब चल रहा है कि फुटबॉल है मिले आई हैव बॉल्स एंड ऑल एंड उसमें मतलब एक एक अपना मार्क छोड़ना बहुत बड़ी बात है. आई रियली
So can you repeat the comment?
क्या
कि हर दुनिया सारी दुनिया में सिर्फ
हाँ, तो
मेल्स या
like,
ह्यूमन
हाँ.
मेल्स आर गोइंग आउट सेइंग कि आई हैव बॉल्स
आई हैव बॉल्स.
एंड नाउ
Now women also have balls. So like it's not literally it's not
I can understand
literal.
why Samay has not called you back.
It's it's a figure of speech. Okay, it's not.
ठीक है of course don't be vulgar. Next one. Oh, we take a break so fast.
We are taking a
You
break.
have to take a break.
Okay, no problem.
Just like TMC taking a break.
Which was that match where you literally flew into the stumps?
What do you mean, which was that match? It was the match, the only game that launched my career. I mean,
There are two main arms of the Indian system. In military, we have the infantry and cavalry and all of those things.
did you say cavalry?
I did.
How old are you?
Well, not as old as you are. Lots to come on
Yeah.
John T on the Dock Season 1.
Can't wait. And please, don't change the shirt.
No, I'm not going to.
Okay, that's great.
I promise. For the entire series,
Sounds-
I'm going to wear the same shirt.
Mahip is telling us offline lots of stories which we can't, but we have recorded it. तो बाद में अगर करने का तो और क्लोजअप भी है ना जस्ट हिम परफेक्ट और स्टेशन तो इधर ही है यू डोंट हैव टू यू कम हियर यू गो देयर यू कम हियर यू गो देयर डायरेक्ट एक शॉट
Bandra police station.
बस एक ही बात है लिटरली यू सॉ ना व्हेन यू एंटर
Yeah.
सर एक ही है चलो ठीक है लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन 19-year-old ethical hacker found major flaws in SC new digital marketing system that could let hackers bypass OTPs, access examiner account, and even alter student marks.
Oh, that's nice.
But this has been going on since अपना जमाना में भी. I mean,
हाँ,
not the
तो
science.
अरे तो वो
but cheating तो है ना.
हाँ, I know my uncles were in university and there was this guy के मेरे बेटे को थोड़ा मार्क्स बढ़ा देना तो वो सब लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा मार्क्स बढ़ा दिए तो वो टॉप कर गया
Wow.
तो वो बाद में हाथ जोड़ के वो बोला कि थोड़ा कम कर दो nobody is believing.
नकली दिखता है. Yeah, true. I feel कि इंडियन मेंटालिटी जो है इंडियन माइंडसेट और इंडियन परफॉर्मेंस और कैपेसिटी जो है दिस इज हैज टू हैपन.
Yeah.
It's in our DNA.
Yeah.
And we should accept and rejoice.
We are corrupt, man. We are corrupt to the core.
It's a जुगाड़ corrupt, no? We are intellectually corrupt.
People say कि government corrupt है. Government में कौन corrupt है? लोग corrupt है ना. हाँ, people are corrupt.
And foreigners तो नहीं है वो ब्रिटिश का जमाना गया they are Indians who are running it. Mostly, a few are not Indian.
हाँ तो politicians are just becharas like they are doing their job and people just want to give them money. They don't want money. They already have so much money.
Yeah.
So they just want to give them money.
Yeah.
नहीं सर ले लो. कहने नहीं चाहिए बाबा. कहने नहीं ले लो. तो वो force feed हो रहा है वो सारा.
I feel now we should only give land
हाँ
to politicians. जमीन दे दो.
जमीन दे दो.
Politician पास है उससे ये आपका है.
बट वो तो ले लिया ना.
वो तो ऑलरेडी ले ले वो तो ऑलरेडी ये मेरा है. You know that's the
वो तो
conversation.
अंकल ने ले लिया ना.
अंकल का नाम है पेट्रोल पंप शॉप्स जमीन
सब कुछ ले लिया.
कंपनी ऑन द बोर्ड ऑफ द कंपनी
सब कुछ ले लिया.
फिल्म स्टार रोल इन फिल्म.
नहीं he also claimed that I wrote a song which actually I had written. So he took credit for that.
took credit?
also. The uncle who took everything.
He took credit.
Yeah. He said कि I wrote that song.
हाँ.
Yeah. He is taking
Arijit Singh?
everything. Hey, come on यार.
नहीं
what
वो
are-
तो आपका
what are
अंकल
you
कैसा होगा?
saying?
He's a young guy.
नहीं वही तो कह रहा हूँ. The uncle who takes everything. Yeah.
अच्छा दी अंकल.
हाँ the
अभी समझ में आ गया. आई एम सच अ स्लो ऑडियंस.
yes you are.
सर प्लीज मेक श्योर ये क्लोज अप सर के ऊपर है हर बार ना बस आई कैन बी टॉकिंग सम अदर टॉपिक यू नो एट द सेम टाइम.
I have my phone recording on, so yeah.
चलो नेक्स्ट.
Next, Cyrus says,
हाँ
42 grooms in Madhya Pradesh arrived at their wedding dressed in sherwanis
ये
and garlands only to discover the brides never
no
existed.
brides there.
They had all fallen victim to an elaborate fake wedding scam. So this has to be Muslim weddings, na? Why they are wearing sherwanis?
Good point. But sometimes अगर लो बजट में शेरवानी मिला तो आई वुड
हाँ, बिकॉज ये इतनी जो गरीब हरकत है ये सिर्फ
नहीं
मतलब
मगर
ये
42 लोग हैं ना तो 42 लोग के यू गेट वन रेट ना.
हाँ तो वो इकट्ठे थोड़े ना आए थे 42 लोग एकदम
नहीं, नहीं,
एक जगह
साथ,
पे
एक साथ.
शादी करने के
हाँ,
लिए.
हाँ, वैसा ही है.
नहीं नहीं
हाँ, एक अपार्टमेंट एक बिल्डिंग अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्स
ऐसे नहीं होता है. मध्य प्रदेश है यार. इट्स द बिगेस्ट
मध्य
स्टेट.
प्रदेश में ये सब होता है सर.
हाँ
आई एम टेलिंग यू.
हाँ तो होता होगा बट आई एम सेइंग व्हाई दीज पीपल आर बीइंग टारगेटेड बाय डिस्क्लोजिंग दैट दे वर वेयरिंग शेरवानीज.
हाँ हाँ. योर पॉइंट इज दैट दे आर टारगेटिंग द माइनॉरिटीज.
ये टारगेटिंग द
तो
माइनॉरिटी.
मेरा कॉमेडी का है इसमें. It's become a social issue now.
हाँ, it has become a political
We have
issue.
paid Mahim Singh lots of money to make us laugh. And now he has become a crusader. This is not the show for crusade. वो लेटेन पे कर दो. But the funny part is कि ये elaborate fake wedding से हमें समझ में आता है कि this is done online, obviously.
Okay.
And there's no face-to-face interaction with
This is a fake news, I believe.
Fake news?
This is a fake news.
the fake news.
This is a fake news. How they calculated 42 grooms. Like, did they come in a single party and wearing sherwanis and
But लिखा है ना arrived at their weddings dressed. I presume कि एक साथ.
their respective weddings.
I get your point, sir.
not,
Let us check with our jury. Our jury is 21-year-old Akanksha. Rio. What is that? A small clap?
Yeah,
Yes,
this.
आपको यही तो ये गंदा है. ये गुड़गांव में चलेगा इधर नहीं चलेगा ये सब. ये मत कर. हाँ. So is it like together en masse? So 42 men came dressed as. हाँ. हाँ. तो सर नहीं मानता ये सब. He's saying it's not possible कि 42
Not
लोग एक
possible.
जमा दिया एक बार.
नहीं अगर है तो फिर दे आर ये दिस न्यूज हेडलाइन इज टारगेटिंग वन कम्युनिटी
Okay.
and minority community.
Could it be Parsis?
Parsis wearing sherwanis. What the fuck are you saying?
Would be like I would be different. Communal आदमी है भाई. Communal आदमी है भाई.
There are no
Be more
42
secular.
Parsis in
वो तो
India.
that is a good comment. See that I'll accept. कि 42 कहाँ से आ गए?
Yeah.
हाँ. I'll accept that. This is not wearing sherwani. People are different, yaar. Why do you have to be so traditional? ठीक है. So we are not sure if this is fake or not. This news. You're sure it's true. How do you verify it's true? We are not in Madhya Pradesh.
But I got it from reliable sources.
कौन वो एक groom था? I don't know.
Only grooms can be reliable source.
Also एक और चीज है इसमें and I don't want to make fun of gender but it's possible कि this was supposed to be all male weddings. No women. You know what the article.
They were saying brides, na. So
हाँ, but
if there
but
were
you
42
call-
grooms,
in
so
homo-
there
in
should
homosexual weddings also one is called bride, one is called
No,
bride.
no,
मैंने
it's
मैंने
not
attend
like
किया.
that.
मैंने attend किया एक बार लंदन
नहीं
में.
नहीं 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 वो फिर
One is called the bride.
वो नकली है. वो they are
Sir, you don't make your God award. यार. You
they
make the
are
rules.
doing this for the PR for the citizenship.
एक तो bride होता है.
नहीं होता है. दोनों ग्रूम होता है.
Same gender का भी.
सेम
दोनों
जेंडर
groom
का
में
दोनों
वो
ग्रूम
समझ में
होता
आएगा.
है.
दोनों groom में तो कैसा
दे
शादी हुआ?
कॉल गए ही इज माय हस्बैंड ही इज माय हस्बैंड. वो ये थोड़े ना बता रहा है कि हमारी किसकी बारी है आज तो ये वाइफ
बेटा पुलिस स्टेशन हम खुद जाना अभी मैंने आता बेटर टू कॉल रणवीर यार. रणवीर तो ठीक है. Oh my God. ये I don't agree with this यार कि दोनों हस्बैंड का और दोनों हस्बैंड कैसे हो सकते हैं? साइंस नहीं उसमें.
होते हैं
एक
यार.
हस्बैंड है एक वाइफ है but they are both same gender.
हाँ दे आर बोथ सेम जेंडर.
हाँ,
तो
but husband, wife.
वो कैलेंडर पे डिपेंड करता है
एक
ना.
मिनट मैं पूछता हूँ रिलायबल सोर्स से. अभिषेक when you all get married is it like हाँ हस्बैंड कहते हैं वाइफ या दोनों हस्बैंड. अभी
I was right.
वही अभी मैं let's just go to the register.
I was right.
चलो next. Wow sir, eye opening. Bangladesh viral Trump buffalo क्योंकि उसका obviously रंगीन बाल. Dodgers each
Dodgers
sacrifice
each
lands in
sacrifice
so they
lands
did
in
not
zoo. Okay, they
execute
didn't sacrifice
the cleverer Trump.
the buffalo
Huh.
because it looked like Trump.
This was very. You saw this news, ना? वो popular था last 2-3 weeks. All across, it became like a celebrity. It
Okay.
became like a, if you attend Big Boss when you come out.
I attend Big Boss.
अगर आप Big Boss में हैं तो when you come out, you become like this buffalo. Everybody wants to see you and talk to you. And all
Okay,
that.
okay, that is okay.
So I'm just giving an Sir,
Okay.
अगर समझ में नहीं आता है, it's very odd that you're a writer and from PhD in English.
And so they didn't sacrifice
Either
this
one.
buffalo.
दोनों hail and
Not
hearty है.
taking names. I'm like this buffalo. I'm
Okay,
saying-
okay. See, two comedians can't work together. ना, वो दोनों का अलग अलग सोच है.
So yeah. So what to say about this, man? So can we go and watch Trump by buying zoo tickets?
Buying what tickets?
Zoo tickets. He's in zoo, no?
Yes, एक zoo में है.
Acha.
Other one technically is not in a zoo. He's in
Okay.
some sort of house.
Why do you know so much about this news?
I'm a follower of Trump.
Okay.
I believe in his policies of
So
free
I follow
tariffs on India.
follow Bangladesh, but yeah.
Yes, similar tariffs on India. I'm a big fan of.
Yeah, I am all for it.
We need it once in a while.
We need it, yeah.
Because we are such a hardy people. We can take all this and deliver still.
Deliver still, yeah.
देखा RCB won the IPL.
See,
Then next piece of news.
all problems are solved now. What is this? The Federation of Western Indians in
ये तो-
Employees.
This you must. Are sir, ma'am?
This I know.
Representing more than 5 lakh film industry workers issues non-cooperation directive against. तो इसमें main चीज क्या है कि which I want to ask you since you are a member of the fraternity, he's not allowed to work
Huh?
because उसने वो date का.
No. It says non-cooperation directive. Like now nobody will lend him
Money.
the clothes. So
For the item numbers.
Yeah, for the dressing up, usual daily wear, like no women are
We
allowed
can only do
to.
nanga scenes.
हाँ, so no women will be allowed to lend him their clothes for
See, I try to find out what joke you're on so that I don't spoil it.
Actually, you want to spoil the
नहीं
joke.
मैं spoil नहीं करता. So your point is that no women will lend their
Because
clothes
he
to-
wears that kind of clothes, ना तो men are.
नहीं अभी explain मत करो ना. I've understood what you're saying यार.
हाँ, तो like
Treating me like a child.
that is the non-cooperation directive. Okay, so like Ranveer,
But can he act or not? वो या acting को मना किया.
कहाँ लिखा है?
पता नहीं मैंने पढ़ा कि
कहाँ लिखा है?
he will not be allowed to work.
They are issued non-cooperation directive. कॉपरेट नहीं करने का मतलब अगर वो
हाँ तो उसका मतलब
अगर वो
उसके
आ रहा है
साथ
पीछे
आप-
से तो डोर पकड़ के नहीं रखने का, छोड़ देने का, हट
ओह।
करके ऐसे नॉन कॉपरेट
Paparazzi भी?
सीट नहीं देने का मेट्रो के अंदर ऐसा
Oh, ठीक है तो make his life miserable.
या
Don't let him sit in public
कोई
transport.
कॉपरेशन नहीं है. हाँ
He'll have to go to latent.
हाँ कि भैया थैले में हाँ तो
Latent में काम कर
हाँ
सकते
टू
हैं।
बिकम हाँ लेटेंट तो
He can re-bring his career to
लेटेंट तो
latent.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोल दिया ना कि कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं.
हाँ.
Really?
हाँ
हाँ.
बंद थोड़े ना हुआ है, शूट हो रहा है अभी तो सेकंड
Fair
सीजन
enough, fair enough.
शूट हो रहा है.
So we don't have proper information. let's be honest,
Yeah,
about
so
Ranveer.
the non-cooperation is not about working in the industry.
In the old days, it was what the actresses would go through, no? The director would call for audition and all that, and the non-cooperation.
Yeah.
Then you would not get the
हाँ,
role.
if you don't cooperate, then
don't get the role.
You don't get the role. Like I have cooperated so many times.
And that is why you are leading actor in
Yes, so
two
many films.
blockbusters, Baked or Jaspal.
So many dharma. Yeah, Baked and Jaspal.
But you won't act in Dharma if they give you a good role, lot of money.
I wrote a song for Dharma actually.
Kuch na kaho.
नहीं.
Okay, sorry.
There was a movie Titli.
Nice.
हाँ.
Butterfly.
Offbeat movie.
But हम जो मेरे जैसे हिंदी लोग
हाँ,
when you say tickly,
butterfly. So it was very offbeat movie and it was directed by Dibakar Banerjee.
Oh, nice.
And my first and only credit for
Lyrics, हाँ. Can you
was from Yashraj Films.
can you give me the can you remember?
I can't sing.
नहीं एक दो line.
The name of the song was Kutte.
कुत्ते.
All the
Movie is called
dogs-
Titli. Song is called Kutte.
the song was used to promote the movie. The song is not
So it's like
actually in the movie.
Oh.
It's
It's a promotional song.
It's a
Do
promotional
you remember
song.
one line of the song?
It's like I'll tell you कि the dogs are talking among themselves that
Uh-huh.
they're talking to God actually, that why did you create this man, or humans.
Very fair point.
Yeah, because we already you had created us, so what was the
The need to
need
create this
to
horrible
create this?
species. Huh.
So the whole song is about that.
I love this lyric.
Yeah,
I'm your supporter, sir.
thank you, sir.
Latin में जो देखा ना, this is better than that also.
Yeah, I
And
know.
that was very good.
Yeah.
But against the culture. Huh.
Yeah,
You have to say that.
I
Huh.
ditto,
Audience वहीं पे.
ditto.
Only on one spot. Huh. So Ranveer Singh can still work, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Just he cannot travel by metro. That's what we have understood.
Nobody will cooperate.
No.
कि वो बोलेगा इधर मेरा मार्क लगा तो क्या अपने आप लगा लेगा.
Nice. या खाना चाहिए तो मंगाना पड़ेगा.
खाना
Zomato
चाहिए
पे.
तो वो पड़ा हुआ है, वो उधर जाओ,
Wow.
है ना, ऐसा.
Omelette sandwich के लिए.
नॉन कॉपरेशन का डायरेक्टिव है.
Like Simon Commission.
या
Going back.
हाँ, साइमन गो बैक.
Chalo. Next one. Massive.
Oh, that's really bad. Yeah, people are after Akhtar's
बोलो.
first Ranveer Singh,
Yeah, fighting with
refused
Farhan.
refused to work.
You think Ranveer stole the money?
Stole the money? It's
Whatever,
not
stole
money.
the discs जो भी है
Yes,
यार.
यार, not money. Like,
They've not identified who stole it.
हाँ, तो
Possible है
because
ना?
he was wearing
You
some
said female clothing and all
female
that.
clothes
हाँ,
and
हाँ.
all. ना, so he
They
was in
couldn't tell.
disguise, and nobody cooperated.
पर इसमें एक चीज है, 15,000 रुपीज सिर्फ उसका वैल्यूएशन
वो बेच दिया ना, वो तो जस्ट टू स्पाइट देम ना, कि साला तुम्हारे
low
ये
rate पे.
औकात है, ये
हाँ.
देख तेरी ये औकात तेरी फिल्म की, है ना.
तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के जैसा.
15,000 रुपए.
वाओ. सो नाउ आई टेल यू वन थिंग ना, जोया अख्तर, फरहान अख्तर के साथ काम नहीं मिलेगा, रणवीर सिंह प्रोडक्शन के साथ काम नहीं मिलेगा, करण जौहर तो नो चांस.
No
नो
chance.
चांस. और तितली के बाद
Chance
भी
in hell because of non-cooperative thing.
नॉनसेंस. हाँ.
Yeah.
तो वी हैव ओनली गॉट रोहित शेट्टी लेफ्ट.
हाँ.
सो बी वेरी केयरफुल सर, काम नहीं मिलेगा नहीं तो. हाँ.
नहीं, मेरे को तो मिलेगा.
हाँ?
मेरे I तो can walk inside anybody's office and just say कि okay, throw me out. Now.
Okay. Mr. Beast and Carrie Minati recreate Modi and Meloni's viral Melody moment. So आपने obviously देखा, right? वो viral.
Brought me a gift, a very, very good toffee.
Is it just me that these viral people, they have same kind of
Faces, huh?
teeth?
Oh, teeth. I thought they look the same. This is like
They
Indian
don't
version
look
of that
the
guy.
same. Like look at his stupid teeth. Like
Huh.
he's smiling and like it looks like
बड़ा
that somebody
billionaire
is
बन गया ये Mr. Beast.
give. I know,
So
but
they clean the
it's-
teeth and all, no? There's somebody, unlike Ranveer Singh,
Yeah, look at
non-cooperation
his
policy
teeth.
नहीं है उसके साथ.
Look
There are
at his
people
teeth.
who clean the teeth. दांत
Yeah.
का सफाई वो I think side पे होगा, या maybe this Carrie Minati cleans his teeth. I don't know how it works. ना whoever's the आपने कहा ना who's the top dog? Yeah. So
I didn't say
I
anything.
know.
Why?
Bro, I'm on your side.
You said
He
right
said.
now. You
He
said
said.
it.
Two husbands, no husband and wife. वो said. हाँ.
So yeah, it's yeah, the India we are very very creative. Yes, like if
such
some
बताओ,
other political leader goes to some economic summit or like goes to World Bank organization and
Close up, please.
है ना,
हाँ.
तो they will say कि okay, this is they are discussing some economic issues and world trade issues and all these things.
But-
in India,
हाँ.
which says भाभी है तेरी, भाभी है भाभी, भाभी, है ना, तो
I'm not
this
even
is-
looking up.
हाँ, तो this is what we do. This is what they did, ना. तो
But as a comedian and writer, अब तो है. How do you rate the joke in that? कि
it's very
Meloni-
mediocre.
Wow.
Very. I think I stopped
give you
you
a
at the.
chance.
I stopped you at the right
Sir, I give
time.
you a chance. थोड़ा तारीफ करेगा तो you have
क्या
some.
तारीफ करेगा? मतलब तुम उसके ऊपर जोक बनाया,
हाँ.
मैं उसका तारीफ करूं तो I'll be in good books.
You'll get the Padma Shri one day.
Fuck it. It doesn't buy you even a railway ticket if you.
Praise. Whether you praise or not, nothing is coming.
Nothing is coming to you. It's not like it's only that if you are viral, so then they will call you and give you an award.
हाँ. If you are viral and in the right direction.
In the right direction or wrong direction
Wrong
doesn't
direction तो
matter.
नहीं बुलाएगा फिर.
नहीं दे दिया ना, किसको नहीं दिया, वो प्रयागराज को दिया ना.
But वो तो
क्या
अपना साइड का खिलाड़ी है.
क्या साइड का खिलाड़ी है?
He plays for the team.
हाँ, प्लेस फॉर द टीम, तो क्या हुआ?
तो इसलिए मिल गया ना.
हाँ,
अगर वो अगेंस्ट द टीम किया तो
नहीं अगेंस्ट द टीम यार, बाद में फिर उसको फिर उसके ऊपर केस क्यों
जैसा
किया?
कुणाल कामरा.
उसके ऊपर केस क्यों किया फिर, अगर वो उनकी टीम के लिए खेला तो
हाँ, that's what I'm
केस
saying.
नहीं करना चाहिए था ना. या तो ये है कि चलो पहले मैं केस करेगा फिर तुमको छुड़ा लेगा, या तो ये हुआ है ना. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो फिर तो सब चूते आप है, वो कुछ नहीं.
Wow, we've learned so much today from Mahip ji. Mahip जी की जो इंटेलिजेंस है
तू कर, तू ये डाल, तू एपिसोड.
ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा मॉक करेगा. I'm witnessing to राखी सावंत and you can be yourself.
हाँ.
और फिर मिलके आपने जो व्यूज है वो
हाँ,
share
राखी प्लीज लिसन.
हाँ.
ये क्या कह रहा है?
करें. राखी doesn't watch this show. मेरी
She
वाइफ,
will.
मेरी मॉम और राखी जी, ये तीनों they have never seen this.
Rakhi ji will watch. I'll tell her. I'll
You're close,
text her very close. Yeah.
but you said you won't go on the latent because
Without her.
without her. हाँ.
What are you saying? I respect
So
her
who are the
so
judges then?
much. हाँ?
Who are the season 2 का जज कौन है?
वही old lame people whatever.
नाम?
क्या नाम देने का क्या? वो एक वो सरदार जी है, उसके पास बहुत पैसा है, वो सब धंधा चलाता है. और
हैबिटेट.
हाँ वही है ना, उसके पापा मतलब. और वो हाँ
के पापा है.
उसके पापा ओनर है ना.
हाँ,
Habitat
वो
के.
हाँ सर. हाँ.
तो एक वो है, एक समय रहना है,
हाँ.
और बीच में 2 स्पॉट खाली रहता है.
ओके.
तो
रोटेटिंग स्पॉट.
रोटेटिंग स्पॉट. उसके अंदर जो भी उसको कॉल करके कहता है आई लव यू है ना, and all, तो फिर उसको बुला लेते हैं.
तो रणवीर जा सकते हैं.
हाँ,
और एक कैरी मैट.
रणवीर तो पक्का आएगा, देखना लेटेंट पे आएगा, मुझे पूरा यकीन है. रणवीर जरूर आएगा.
क्यों?
दोनों, प्रयागराज वाला भी और ये नॉन कॉर्पोरेटिव वाला भी.
पॉलिटिसाइज द होल थिंग अगेन. अच्छा,
Yeah.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
What about politics?
आपका फेवरेट पॉलिटिशियन कौन है इंडिया में? सबसे मनपसंद, जो आपको लगता है कि दिस इज समबॉडी स्पेशल, इंडिया का फ्यूचर. अगर
अरे वो नहीं था एक,
टेक योर
क्या नाम
टाइम.
था उसका? वो था नहीं, वो तो छोटे से कद का, मूंछ वाला और चश्मे वाला.
केजरीवाल?
केजरीवाल नाम था उसका. और आई लाइक्ड हिम वेरी मच.
और अब परिवर्तन हो गया या नहीं?
I still like him. I still like him as a character. I think he is one of the finest actors on the scene. I love him as an actor. He's a very good actor.
एज अ परफॉर्मर.
Yeah.
इट्स स्ट्रेंज कि नेशनल अवार्ड्स के टाइम पे नो पॉलिटिशियन इज गिवन द बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड. समटाइम्स
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर
I think it's like they have excluded them to
Because
make
they're
it
too good.
fair.
यस, देयर नो चांस.
Yeah.
बॉलीवुड हीरो को कैसा मिलेगा
हाँ.
प्राइज यार? मेकअप वेकअप लगा के ये वो ट्रेनिंग करके बड़ा
मेरा
डायलॉग.
उससे भी जानता हूँ, उसको भी जानता हूँ, इसमें सब
You see, some of our guys, politicians, they are fantastic.
फैंटास्टिक एक्टर.
And they change the script also. Monday and Tuesday में इतना
ऑफ द
on the spot यार. Lot of love, lot of
इट्स
respect.
या.
आप कभी सोचा पॉलिटिक्स में जाने हैं तो?
नहीं तो मैं पॉलिटिक्स में है.
मतलब
5 साल में एक बार 4 सेकंड के लिए मेरे पास पावर होता है.
आपको लगता है भाई.
जब तक मैं नीचे उंगली दबाएगा नहीं, मैं दबा दूँ, ये दबा दूँ, ये.
ये हुआ बंगाल में.
हाँ, तो वो तो किसी को भी दबाएगा तो वो तो.
किसी को भी दबाएगा.
हाँ, किसी को भी
It's called
दबाएगा.
molestation बेटा.
नहीं, कोई भी बटन दबाएगा तो वोट तो
हाँ, वो तो एक ही जगह जाता.
एक ही जगह
ये आपका मतलब है?
हाँ,
My God.
इलेक्शन कमीशन में है.
हाँ.
हाँ,
The views expressed by the young man are his
तो
views.
इलेक्शन कमीशन में जाता. हाउ इलिटरेट आर लाइक, वो बटन दबाएगा तो
हाँ, इलेक्शन
हाँ,
कमीशन
इलेक्शन कमीशन में जाएगा.
बच गया. It's called glorious safe. Glorious safe. Thank you so much, sir, for being on our show. Excellent time. मतलब not really, but जो भी
व्हाटएवर.
टाइम पास तो हो गया.
हाँ, टाइम पास हो गया.
55 मिनट की बातचीत हुई उसमें.
कितने मिनट हुआ?
55
55 मिनट. वी हैव बीन टॉकिंग
टू मच. 5 निकालो.
नहीं पूरा डालना,
पूरा
कुछ भी काटना नहीं,
चप्पल तक जा सकते हैं हम लोग,
सब जा सकते
Take a deep
सब,
breath.
पूरा
हो जाएगा.
आई एम रेडी,
हाँ.
आई एम रेडी फॉर इट.
Anyway, we'll call you back, sir. But उस point पे I want one lawyer. हाँ, one lawyer and one witness.
नहीं, आई विल ब्रिंग अ पॉलिटिशियन अलोंग.
कौन?
कोई भी
वो से
जो-
मुझ
हाँ, हाँ,
शॉर्ट चश्मा. हाँ, हाँ. जो नाम नहीं बोलने का. हाँ.
हाँ, तो ही इज अ वेरी गुड एक्टर, तो वो
हाँ.
विल बी अ
Famous female politician favorite?
हाँ,
Who's your favorite female politician?
फीमेल पॉलिटिशियन तो हार गए ना बेचारे.
That TMC was your favorite.
हाँ, अच्छा वो टीएमसी में है.
अच्छा. वो आपकी एक्टिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया है सर. जब नेशनल अवार्ड की बात होते हैं तो आई थिंक वी शुड आल्सो कीप इन माइंड. जसपाल एंड बेक्ड. Okay.
I have done so many things. I've done acting. Yeah, I like doing acting. I have done acting in advertisements.
हाँ.
But I like this so much.
हाँ.
This will solve all your problems.
और क्या है वो? लिंग.
गोज भी मैं देखता ही नहीं है. पैसा आ गया. हाँ। सर थोड़ा सा इधर घुमा है. ठीक. मैं बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है.
बट प्लेज भी है ना अभी,
प्लेज है. हाँ.
जो आप खुद लिखता है प्ले, मतलब
मैं खुद
का
लिखता
प्ले
है.
है.
मैं
And
खुद
acting
लिखता
also-
है.
acting also?
डायरेक्ट करता है, एक्टिंग नहीं करता है.
ओके.
उसमें मैं
रणवीर सिंह
अच्छे
वगैरह,
एक्टर को
हाँ.
रखता है. तो अच्छे रणवीर सिंह इज
नॉन कोऑपरेटिव पॉलिसी.
नॉट अ थिएटर एक्टर.
बट नाउ इफ दे कांट लेट हिम वर्क इन मूवीज तो
हाँ, तो मूवीज आर डिफरेंट. थिएटर
हाँ,
में
इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ कि अगर वो पोजीशन नहीं मिलता है उसको सिनेमा में, तो आपके साथ काम कर सकते
नहीं,
हैं.
मैं नहीं, सॉरी.
व्हाई? कितना एटीट्यूड.
नहीं, एटीट्यूड का क्या मतलब है?
फीमेल लीड राखी इज ऑलरेडी देयर.
नहीं, राखी इज नॉट
Kept.
इन द थिएटर सर्किट. राखी इज इन द ओटीटी सर्किट लाइक.
ओके.
हाँ, तो
थिएटर सर्किट में आपका रेगुलर्स कौन है?
थिएटर सर्किट में माय फर्स्ट चॉइस इज के भूखा नंगा होना चाहिए.
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स.
है ना. और उसके पास खाने को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, तो वो समोसा रख देते हैं अपन लोग.
1/2 करते हैं.
दे आर वेरी हैप्पी.
हाँ, 1/2.
हाँ, दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. पैर छू के जाते हैं सर. कृपा बनाए रखना. कोई अच्छा रोल हो तो बताना सर.
क्योंकि अपना करियर की शुरुआत में ये ऐसा है और एंड में भी ये ऐसा है.
हाँ.
तो ही गेट्स द यंग वंस एंड द वेरी ओल्ड वंस.
Very old ones.
हाँ,
Yes. I have worked with all the age categories. So
that's it, bhai. We are done. We are just talking, passing time. तब तो somebody says कि stop it, we just
अच्छा,
carry
टाइम
on.
नहीं पास हो रहा.
Time is going slowly, यार. We are doing our best. चलो.
चलो, good.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, प्लीज.
तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.